Doctors have read it. What's the worst thing you can do to your body? I got kicked out of the emergency room 4+ times because my pant breathing and whimpering and dry heaving that I absolutely could not control were just me being dramatic. The last time, a security guard pushed my wheelchair outside and said, "We see this all the time, and it isn't going to get you seen any faster." So I thought, okay, it's drama, I'm crazy, and I drove myself to the psych hospital. My memories are just snippets from that point on, but I remember hearing this is not a panic attack. Call 911. And then holy shit, her blood sugar is 820. I woke up 3 days later in the same hospital that had just kicked me out to an ICU nurse snapping, "Your blood sugar was 820. You should be dead." To which I replied I didn't know I was diabetic and then burst into tears.